Now let's start with UNESCO, United Nations Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNESCO. Okay. Now, a conference was held in London on November 1945 for the establishment of educational, scientific and cultural organization. This led to the establishment of this UNESCO. Now, it happened in 4th November 1946. Now, what were the objectives of it? The main objective of UNESCO is to contribute to peace and security of the world and in promoting a sense of collaboration among the various nations. How to collaborate? Through education, through culture, through science, and through communication between different nations. This is undertaken to further respect for justice, for the rule of law, and for human rights. So, justice, rule of law, and human rights. Okay, now what are the functions? The largest sector of UNESCO's activity is in the field of education में है. The main function in the field of education में क्या क्या करते हैं वो? First, removal of illiteracy करता है by encouragement, because बहुत सारा जगह में there is no adult education, so they help in adult education, distance education, हाँ दूर से through cooperation तुम पढ़ सकते हो, and open school system. Indira Gandhi Open University हुआ था ना, so open your school. If you are not in any school also, you can carry it on. Emphasis on education of women and girls and financial assistance also for the education of the disabled जो children है वो लोग के लिए भी बहुत कुछ किया. Provision of grants and fellowships to teachers and scholars. छोटो करे दीजिए, I'm making it small. Organization of book fairs and festivals भी ये लोग हेल्प करते हैं, इंटरनेशनल लेवल्स में भी एंड नेशनल लेवल्स में भी. जैसे दिल्ली पब्लिक लाइब्रेरी, it established in 1951. They were established with the financial assistance of UNESCO. Next, so no need to give another further examples are not needed. फिर encouragement of science education by providing regional training centers भी बना दे रहा है, and promotion of education as an instrument for international understanding के लिए भी ये ज़रूरी है. फिर we should say there are also some scientific activities. We'll carry it on in the next video, okay?